How to create a Weverse account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can create a Weverse account on your device. Now, to do so is quite simple and easy. What you want to do is open up the Weverse app here. As you can see on the screen, it'll open up, and tap on Start Weverse here and choose the language you want. I'll just select English here and tap on Join or Login option that you can see. Now you can sign up using your email, or you can sign up using your Twitter, or you can sign up using your Apple ID. Now here what you want to do is simply tap on the Gmail account. If you want to log in with your Gmail, simply tap on it, and Weverse is trying to log in using your google.com. You can see, simply tap on continue, and then what you want to do is choose the Gmail account that you want to access your Weverse account through. Now it'll go ahead and ask for you to agree to the terms of use agreements. Simply tap on I agree to the terms of use and tap on next. And once you tap on next, you'll get logged into your account and your account will be created. So this way you can create Weverse account easily with a Google account or any account that you want. You can create with a Twitter account or Apple account if you want. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.